If you want to change icon size on OnePlus 15R, you can open Settings. Next over here, we're gonna go to the home screen, lock screen, and style. And then we're gonna swipe up in order to reveal this section. You should be able to go to icons, and then here we have the icon slider, so we can move left and right in order to make icons smaller or bigger. In some cases, we also have some additional adjustments like rounded corners, for example, or for example, the size for the app name text. Now, if you made your changes, remember to use the apply button. But besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the home screen settings in here. And if you change the home screen layout, then of course this has an impact, at least slightly, on icons as well. Because if you choose 5 columns instead of just 4, then of course app icons have to be slightly smaller to make sure that there is enough space for every app on a single row. And last but not least, we can also go ahead and choose display and brightness in settings. And in here we have the display size, which also has an impact on icon. Of course, this changes the size of everything, of every element of the UI on your phone, of the user interface. But this includes icon size as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.